everyone, this is Prakha from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Sujana Shree with us who has successfully managed to get into Cisco with 17.89 lakh per annum package. So today we are going to be discussing with her that how she has managed to crack those interview rounds and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in her journey. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Sujana Kadarla. I'm from Warangal and I studied my SSC in Warangal in St. Gabriel's High School and secured 10 GPA. And then I completed my intermediate education in Warangal itself in Krishnaveni Junior College and secured 968 out of 1000. And then I came to Hyderabad to complete my engineering in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And then currently I'm pursuing my 4.2. When I was in 4.1, I've been placed in Cisco. Now I'm doing my internship in Bangalore. It's a 6 months internship from Jan to June with a stipend of 98,000 per month. And then the full time offer starts from July with a package of 17.89. Yeah, that is the CTC.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Sujana, what motivated you to pursue your current field of studies? Was it something like
Uh,
your parents said
no,
like,
no.
okay, you should be doing, or like was it something like an inner call for your from yourself, like okay, I should be pursuing engineering?
So let me be honest. Before entering BTech, I had no idea about branches, which branch leads to what career. I had no idea. I was just referring to papers after completing my intermediate education, and there was this
Mm-hmm.
thing which was repeated in every paper, like literally in every paper, artificial intelligence, be it in any language, any
Mm-hmm.
newspaper, but this thing was repeated. So that was the
Mm-hmm.
emerging branch also. Actually, the branch
Mm-hmm.
started with our batch only in our college. So I
Mm-hmm.
thought, why not to try that new branch, because I had no idea, and that is the
Mm-hmm.
emerging thing at that time. So I applied for that, and yeah, like that I came into my branch, and finally I'm here.
Okay. And how come the engineering journey started? Like, I mean, like, have you decided it like in your intermediate, like you should be doing engineering, or was it something that your parents said it to you, like, okay, you should be pursuing engineering? Other than that, like, you won't like, or something else? Like, I mean, like, was there something else in your mind, or like it was something that was your inner call in terms of like having like, okay, I have an interest in science, I have an interest in engineering, I
Hmm.
should be pursuing that.
So whatever I did, nothing was my parents' force. Everything was on my wish. They respected what I thought. What motivated to pursue BTech is that I'm interested to operate in technical kind of things rather
Mm-hmm.
than doing something like law or something
Mm-hmm.
related to finance or etc. Working
Mm-hmm.
with electronic gadgets.
Mm.
Yeah, that was the
Okay.
reason I came to BTech technology.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you like sat in the like JEE mains exams? Like, was there a
Oh
plan to get
yeah,
into IITs?
that was a hectic journey whole of my intermediate life. Even my parents hoped that I should be in some IIT or at least NIT, but yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that didn't happen. Finally, I came into engineering college.
So, what was their reaction? Was like what?
They were
Like,
so
was there?
disappointed. They were so disappointed because I was the elder child in my family.
Okay.
So my house is near NIT Warangal. So
Mm-hmm.
that also made my parents to keep hopes on me that I should study in NIT Warangal or some other NIT itself.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and then they did not pressure me, but they kept hopes on me, and that pressurized me, making me,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. I tried,
Mm-hmm.
not that hard, but I tried. That
It's
didn't
okay.
happen. But I guess now they are happy because though I didn't get into NITs, now I'm in a good package in a good company, number one networking company, Cisco. So yeah,
Mm.
now they are happy.
Okay. So, like going forward, like was there
Mm.
any obstacles or challenges that you have faced in your educational journey? And if so, like how did
Mm.
you overcome them?
So until SSC, I didn't face any difficulties because it was general until SSC.
Hmm.
The struggle
Hmm.
started in intermediate. I
Hmm.
couldn't understand physics, as I said.
Hmm.
That demotivated me a lot because my day starts with intermediate and ends with that. whole day in college
Hmm.
itself. And the
Hmm.
students all around me, they do many things. And then I got one friend at that point of time who knows physics very well.
Hmm.
So yeah, she helped me out to come out of that, and there were online resources also. Physics Wala, I guess you know
Hmm. Yeah,
who
yeah, yeah.
doesn't
I
know
know.
Physics Wala. Yeah,
Yeah.
that those channels. Yeah, and with the help of these and my parents' motivation, like this is not the end, you can do it.
Hmm.
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 Yeah,
Hmm.
all these things have
Okay.
helped me to come out of that.
Hmm. Okay. So, like, is there a particular event or a moment in your like educational journey or with smart interviews like
Hmm.
that has had a profound impact on you?
I thought they were strict. They will always assess me. They'll scold if I don't do any things. But then after a few days, I thought that that was for our good because I saw the growth in me. Firstly, I solved
Hmm.
problems only because I was scared. They'll scold me if I don't do. That was the reason I did. I solved
Hmm.
coding problems. But then after some few months, when I look backward, I I saw myself growing in coding journey.
Hmm.
So with that, I didn't scare anymore, and I worked on myself, learning coding, asking
Hmm.
doubts. Yeah.
Okay, okay. And like, have you done any part-time jobs or like or any other internships
Mm.
other than this, like after completing your course from by Smart Interviews?
No, no. This is my actually Cisco was my first interview, and I got selected in that.
Okay, 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 okay. And so,
And then
how's it going over there? Like, I mean, like,
uh,
how's the job? Like, how's the job like as an intern over there? Was it like something that contributing to your personal growth as well? And how the
ac-
smart, like, how that thing is helping you out? Like, what you have learned from smart interviews over there?
okay, it's just my second day in internship. Yesterday was my
Okay,
first
okay,
day.
okay, okay,
So
okay,
yeah, there wasn't any much thing that happened,
okay,
noticeable thing.
okay,
But today I interacted with my seniors who had
okay.
training in smart interviews itself. So they said that first thing was written test, and written test obviously had coding. So without
Mm-hmm.
smart interviews we couldn't clear the first step itself. With smart interviews we
Mm-hmm.
climbed a step up, and that took us
Mm-hmm.
this far.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Okay. Okay. And is there any other? So, how's your parent? Like, how's your family? How's your
Mm.
parents? Like, what was their reaction? And whom did you told this to? Like, at like
Mm.
first, like I mean, I got placed in
Uh,
this so and so company, and
I told this thing to my father first because he had many hopes on me to get into NIT or
Mhm.
IIT. But yeah,
Mhm.
now I ended up in a good position. I first said my father, I was in hostel, not in my hometown also. After getting
Mhm.
my LOI, I called my father and with very excitement, I said that I've been placed without much struggle because that was my first interview in all companies and I got selected in that. Yeah, so
That's
my
great.
father.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah,
And like congratulations from our side as well.
thank you,
Like
thank you.
that's a great thing that you have achieved from your hard work. So yeah. And like if I ask you to define smart interviews in one word or a sentence, what would it be?
In one word or sentence, uh, uh, I am thinking to make it in a sentence. Uh, Learning with earning.
Okay,
Yeah, it will teach us to
like
learn, and if we put that learning in practical use, now finally I'm earning.
oh, okay, okay. That in that
Yeah,
sense, like
yeah,
very well
yeah.
put together, Sujana. Very well,
Thank you,
very well
thank
put.
you.
Yeah. So, like, if I ask you to recommend smart interviews to others, so would you recommend it to others, and
I
why?
definitely, because I saw my friends in other colleges taking coaching from some other institutions, and when I compare myself with them, I can see a major difference. The thinking process, the thought process, how should we
Mm,
approach a problem, and the mentality to dealing with coding. I can see the difference, and that's surely and that will contribute to the efforts of the institution only, how
mm,
those institutions make students to think, to solve.
mm,
So for
mm,
this reason, I'll definitely recommend smart interviews. The way they solve the doubts, the clarity in
mm,
explanations, everything, every
mm,
single thing will contribute in the learning experience of a student. So for this reason, I'll definitely recommend Smart Interviews.
Thank you for your feedback, Sujana, and thank you for your kind words as well. And that's all from my side. All the best
Okay.
for your future endeavors, and yeah, we'll
Yeah,
see you.
thank you. And I would like to thank Smart Interviews for making me achieve something in my life.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.